So we can break apart the hit me if I seem a little unimpressed with this. An antisocial pessimist, but usually I don't mess with this. And I know
Interesting video of Power BI Masterclass series. Now this time we will explore how we can make our Power BI reports more interactive using drill through and tooltip headers options. So let's explore this. So first of all, let's create a new page here. Let's click on plus icon to create a new page. Now what I'll do, I'll just name this as my main page. Let's main page, and let's add some visual to this page. Let's add a bar chart here. You can add whatever visual that you like. I'll add a bar chart here, and let's add some fields here. Let's add customer country, and let's add a total sales. Let's resize it. Now this is fine. So we got the total sales for the customer country. Now suppose I want the further information for the customer's country. That is, I want the category wise sales for the customer country. Now you can see this visual is huge and this is fitted in our page. Now we can't add further images, that is further visuals to our page. Now in this scenario, we can either make use of a bookmark, and also we can either make use of a drill through options. So let's see how we can make use of the drill through options. So for that we need to create another page. So let's click on plus icon to create a new page. Now let's add some details. So I'll just say this is my details. So let's say this is my details page. Now let's add some visual that I want to show here, that is the further information. Let's add a donut chart, and let's say this is my category wise total sales, and let's make this bigger. So now we got the category wise total sales. Now what I want is I want the headers here. I want the headers that should be displayed here. So what I'll do, I'll create a new measure here, and here I'll say this is my selected country that is equals to, I can use selected value function. We already seen what is selected value and all selected functions in disconnected table concepts. So let's say this is selected value. I want the customer country. Yes, this to be displayed. Now let's deselect this and let's select a card here, and let's add our measure. Now you can see this is by default a blank here. Yes. Now what I need is, here I need to make this details as a drill through options. So what I'll do, you can see here it says add a drill through fields here. Here I'll drag our customer country and drop it here. Now I can see a back icon is there, is displayed here. Now I'll go to this main page here. Now when I right click on this, you can see we got the drill through options, and you can see we got the details page here. I'll just click on this. I can see the USA country got selected, and we got the USA country total sales for the category basis. Now when I can hold the control option and just click on this back button, I can see we got to the main page. Now let's select a different country, let's say Finland, and let's drill through here. I can see we got the Finland, and we got the further information for the Finland, that is total sales for the category. We got this. Now let's move to this back here. Now this is how the drill through options works. Now let's move further with the tooltip headers options. Now let's use some scenario here. That is, you created this report and you sent it to, let's say, the report consumers or the stakeholders, and he is new to the Power BI software, and he didn't know that he need to right click on this visual and need to move to this drill through option, need to select this details. So in that cases, what you need to do, you need to make these reports a more interactive, that telling that yeah, you need to go to this drill through options, and you need to go to this details options. So let's see how we can do this. So for that, what I'll do, I'll select this visual, and I'll go to this format visual here, and here I'll go to this general option, and here I'll go to this headers icon here, and under the icon option, and you can see here we got the several options like a drill up, drill on, drop down, and others. And here you can see we got the help tooltip option, so I'll just make this as on. I can see a question mark icon is there, and let's make this smart narrative also. Let's explore this what it is in this video also. So let's make this to on. uh, Now you can see we got the tooltip here, and you can see it is a text, type is text. And here what I'll do, I'll make this tooltip text. I'll set this as right click, say right click on the page, visual, and select drill through, drill through, drill through. Let's say drill through. Yeah. Now let's you can change the color of the font also, the background colors also. Let's change the background colors here first. This let's select this visual, and you can see we got this, and it says right click on our visual and select the drill through options. Now let's see. Yeah, so we need to right click on this. So this is fine, so we got this. Now in some cases, some report consumers, he didn't know that is he need to go to this question mark also. In that cases, now let's see how we can create this report more interactive. Now this time what I'll do, I'll create a screenshot of this report, this view, this visual. Now what I'll do, I'll create a new page here, and here I'll say this is my tooltip page, tooltip let's say tooltip page. And here let's move to this format your report page, and then I'll go to this page information here, and I'll make this allow use as a tooltip and make this on here. And you can see this is a tooltip here. And let's change the settings here. I'll change the tooltip type to, let's say, 4 to 3. This let's make this as a tooltip by default. So, and let's make this as a middle. Now what I'll do, I'll add this screenshot here. This right click on this screenshot. I'll add this to here. So we already created a screenshot here. Now let's import that. So I'll go to this insert option, and I'll select the images here, and I'll select this screenshot. Now you can see this is my screenshot here. Let's adjust this here. Yes. Now what I'll do, so this is my tooltip option. So I'll go to the general option here. Sorry, I'll go to the general option here. You can see here we got the tooltip options here. Let's see tooltip options here or not. So let's search as tooltip here. So just select tooltip options. Yeah, you can see all allow use of tooltip option is on. You need to make sure this is on. Now I'll go to this main page here. Now what I'll do, I'll just select this, and here under this tooltip options and the options here, instead of this report page, sorry, it should be a report page here, and I'll change this page to tooltip page. Now let's close this here. Now when I select this, you can see here we got the image that telling that we need to right click on this drill through and need to select the details options. So this is how we can make more interactive our Power BI reports using the tooltip options and drill through options. Here you can also make this a bigger. Let's make this a bigger. Let's remove this first. Let's go to this here, page informations, canvas back settings, and instead of tooltip options, you just need to change to, let's say, 4 to 3, 4 issue 3. And here let's add image, that is my screenshot, and let's make this bigger. Fine. Now let's go to this main page again. And here, when I right click on this or just hover here, you can see here we got the drill through options here. It telling us that we need to switch to this drill through options and need to select the details options. This is how we can add a drill through and tooltip headers options to make our Power BI reports more interactive. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed in this video. Stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.